The 9th convocation of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya was held on Thursday in the presence of a galaxy of vice-chancellors, ministers, ambassadors, heads of institutions and other dignitaries. Altogether, 1,655 graduates were awarded degrees, out of which 14 scholars were awarded PhD degrees. 669 students were awarded postgraduate degrees, while 972 students were awarded undergraduate degrees. Presiding over the convocation, Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan congratulated the graduates and expressed his happiness that Ustm is providing free education to deserving students from economically backward families, thereby ensuring that higher education remains accessible and equitable.
In the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. You are the honorary of Doctor of Languages.
जीवन में यहाँ पर कोई अंत नहीं है। शिक्षा का परिवर्तन की आवाज सुनाना है, अतः हमें निरंतर सीखने की लगन होनी चाहिए ताकि मानवता समाज में मातृभूमि विश्वास कर सकें। इन्हीं तत्वों के पास मैं वाणी को एक ध्यान देते हुए आपको सतत सुधारे और युद्ध होती हुई कामना करता